Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the full process of making and setting up a Raster library, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now in today's video, we're going to be running through everything we've covered in the previous tutorials in a single video. So this might be a bit quick, and if you're not sure what's happening, you can simply pause or backtrack and see those processes that we took before. But this is just kind of to give you a hands-on feel of what it's going to look like when you actually work with it. Now the process for making a raster library versus a vector will change a bit. So the first one's going to be about the raster library, and then the next one we can look at a quick vector. So first of all, what we want to do is open our image library. I'm going to go File, Image Library. Then I'm going to set up a new one. I'm going to go to New Lib or New Library, name it, we call it Raster Lib. Or automatically change the file name, say OK, and then like I mentioned before, I want to make sure I either save or save this already. So I'm just gonna call it here the same, Raster Lib. Hope that's the same, and then we know it's saved. Now next thing we want to do is get some graphics in here or some raster images. So I'm gonna go import. I'm just gonna move this sideways, locate the image. We already have it in, so I don't actually have to do this, but I'm gonna do it in any case. Then we've got our image there, drag and drop it, throw it there on our canvas. Now we go back to our raster lib or library, say add image, and then give it a name. I'm just going to call this Gordon Freeman. Spelled that right. And then we've got our Gordon Freeman in there. Now obviously you can do the same with maybe a star, throw that in there. Drop the star on the canvas, go to back there, add image, call this star, click OK. Now we've got a star as well. Remove that from my canvas, those images, and now we have these. So the next step we want to do is save it again. It's a very important one to remember. Go save library, locate the right library, which is our raster lib. Click save, and then our library is saved. Now you can simply import by dragging and dropping these like we mentioned before, or you can go import all and it will throw in all the graphics to your actual canvas. You can also obviously change the size if you wanted a unique or specific size. Then what I'm going to do is just use a delete. So I'm going to go to the star, hit delete library, say okay. Sometimes some of them don't have a name, so then they give you errors. That's fine. In this case, everything was fine. So now we've got one nice raster library set up. It is saved and it is ready for use. So yeah, that is the process on creating a raster library. Like I said, this video is a bit quick, so I apologize. But all these steps we did cover in previous videos in more depth. But yeah, before our vector process, if I had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.